What the
We're going to have a date, right?
No! What the
One question. Joystick or touchpad?
Joystick, pare.
Ah, shit!
Panain, pakipana po.
Ito na mga pare.
Hi po!
Hello.
Kapit ka naman po.
Thank you.
Ano kanyang cosplay mo?
Cupid.
Ah, si Cupid. Panain mo nga ako.
Sure.
Kapit mo naman mamana. Parang ako magmamit nito. Wala na, in love na ako sa'yo.
Sa akin na sa 14, ha?
Uy, streamer ka ako.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, yo, what's up?
I'm
Pwede
looking for
pa
a
pana?
Sure.
Panahin mo sa puso. Panahin mo, dali. Pana, dali. May love ako sa tulad mo.
Walang bago yan, pare, ha? Hintayin kita sa 14, ha?
Hello po. Ang cute mo naman. Oh, tusok mo kita. Ang ganda naman po. Panain mo naman po ako, Miss Cupid. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda mo naman po. Anong pangalan mo?
Andrigo yata, mga brother.
Ina mo, bayot.
Kala ko ba maganda ako, pare? Sabi niyo maganda ako.
Bakla. Nagag-o.
Sabi niyo maganda ako.
Q, ang laki ng ulo mo eh. Report kita.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hey, what's up? I'm looking for a date.
Uy, wag mo kayo papaano na.
Ako, pwede na. Sinong papanayin mo sa amin?
Ikaw na lang, pare.
Streamer ka?
Yes.
Uy, anong ini-stream mo? Ano nangyayari sa mga p***a mo?
Ewan ko, pare, ang ingay nila.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Gusto nila ng uwu. Uwu.
Kita mo! Ang ina mo, kamukha mo si Alodia, Prime.
Si Alodia.
Hi,
Hi.
beautiful lady, for you.
Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Oh,
Can you be my Valentine?
yeah, of course.
I'll wait for you on February 14, brother.
What are you doing?
Looking for a date.
Looking for a date? Do you want to see my dick? That escalated quickly.
Sure, my brother.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Andre Guetta, brother.
Okay, you're gay.
No, I'm a man.
Okay, give me ID Instagram.
Instagram? I'm looking for a date. Can you be my sugar daddy?
Yes. You need sugar daddy?
Are you rich?
Yes, I'm sugar daddy.
Sure.
You need money?
Yes.
Okay, show me your boobs. And
I don't have a boobs, bro. It's chest, as you can see.
okay, show me your
Payment first.
show me your
Payment first.
show me your
Payment first.
because some
Can you be my daddy? Yeah. We're gonna talk about, how we can do this.
no bro, pachere boy.
I can, I can do this.
Rose!
What's up?
What's
up?
Your arrow is so, what do you call it? Just like a Valentine's Day. You are a Cupid.
And naman nag-Cupid!
I'm looking for a date.
She's looking for a date. So, this is to recommend you.
No.
My friend from the Canada.
No, you choose.
You choose.
What do you want?
Kayong tatlo, pare, ha?
What the hell?
Wow, you're so cute.
Thank you.
You are a little devil.
No, I'm Cupid.
You're so hot.
Excuse
You
me.
so hot. You so hot.
I thought you called me whore, my brother.
Oh my god.
Hey, it's me from the future. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. As you can see in the graph, 96% of you is not subscribed. So, subscribing really means a lot. It helps the channel grow and it motivates me to continue making these videos. So yeah, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Now back with the video. Let's go!
Okay, Robin. Saan ang tusok niyan?
Sa'yo.
Sa akin?
I miss Cupido.
Hi, I'm looking for a
Hindi mo
date.
ako palain.
Sure. Hintayin kita sa 14, ha?
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Hello!
pwede ba kita maging Valentine?
Oo.
Eh,
Hoy, panain mo nga ako. Eh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
Ginagawa mo! Ginagawa mo!
Abangan kita sa 14 ha.
Ginagawa mo!
Hintayin kita sa 14 pare.
Ano?
Hintayin kita sa 14.
Uy, Renzo!
Andre yung pangalan ko pare.
Gagi, ganda mo, Andrea. Ganda mo, pare.
Wait lang, may trust issues ako dito eh. Wait lang. Tayo nga ng tuwid.
Ah pare.
Sabi ko na eh! Sabi ko na eh!
Look good.
Salamat pare.
Bro, but damn, you look good.
Trap yan, tol. Trap yan.
Streamer tol.
No, DJ!
Pare, kabi ko pare.
Anong pare? Kita ba?
Kita pre.
Wag bro, na nga, papanain ka.
That's why I'm here. Hintayin kita sa 14 brother ha.
Grabe, ano yun?
Wag.
Please shoot me. Please shoot me.
Akala ko show me. Shoot me pala. Angas tattoo mo kuya.
Gagi, tol, mas maangas ka. Huwag mo papatalo.
Baka mabangga ka kuya.
Ha?
Baka mabangga ka.
Pare, ang laki ng boses mo.
Hello?
Hi.
Ganda mo naman ng...
Salamat. Bawal bata dito.
Why do you have a bow and arrow?
Oh, it's nearly Valentine. Okay.
Yes.
Took me a while.
Show me your face.
Does it actually shoot?
Yeah.
That is crazy, bruh.
So can you be my date?
Huh? No,
Why?
I am a minor, man. That is bad.
Hey, what's up? How are you doing?
Are you going to...
But you look
you
like a
streamer?
minor, bro. Are you a minor?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, I'm safe.
Woo! Safe!
Are you a Filipino?
Yes.
Okay.
Subscribe, man. Hey! You got me, bro. What the frick, bro? Hello.
Hello po.
Hi.
Tayo mapagkita. Ano ka no? Cosmic player ka no?
Cosmic.
Ay, cosmic player ano?
Cosplayer, pare.
Isang lalaki ang
Hello, pare.
pusang na yan.
Hi.
Hi, ты красивая.
Huh?
I'm looking for a date.
Ты красивая. Ты face good. You.
Okay.
Can you speak English?
No, speak English. No.
How are we going to talk, my brother? What are you doing, bro?
What?